Well, I do see some bleeding into the callus here. That's what that is. Which is common with diabetics. Wherever you have a callus that gets pressure on it, which is why you would have a callus, but diabetics do bleed into the calluses. But let's just make sure there's nothing open here.
Yeah, because I say if it looked closed, then how could you see blood coming out? It has to be coming out of something.
Right. Okay, well at this point, there's no open sore there.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah, so this is all closed over, the skin is all intact, so that looks good. So are you doing anything at home to help keep this callus down at all? Or are you relying on me to do it all?
No, I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
What should I be doing?
Well, there's a couple things. Number one, lotion, lotion, lotion.
Oh, that, okay, okay.
That would be the first thing. The other thing is there's, different kinds of things that you can buy, not power tools, but little, they call them, like Dr. Scholl's has one that's called like a little callus reducer. And it looks like a little cheese grater with a handle. Then there's the ped egg that looks like a great big half a silly putty egg.
Okay.
With a little cheese grater thing. And if you lightly just rub it over this,
Right.
maybe a couple times a week, that will help keep the callus down so that you don't get the big core in the middle.
Yeah, I know when it's when that callus gets thick. That's when the whole thing can peel off and you get the hole.
Right. So really the thing is, let's just keep the callus a little bit thinner.
So what is, just to bother you to repeat yourself one more time, what is the thing called again?
Well, there's a couple different options. If you just go into the foot care section of your drugstore,
Okay.
and you look for something that looks like a little
Oops, my feet do that.
little
They
cheese, that looks like a little cheese grater with a handle on it.
Okay.
And you won't go too deep, and you don't have to try and go real deep. You can just kind of take off a little bit of it a couple times a week, and that ought to do it. So.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.